Bitcoin money value equivalent to 1,912.12 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1,850.54 1,915.71. The earlier day close, 1,866.57. The change was plus 45.55, plus 2.44%. Reverse rate, ZAR to BCH. Bitcoin money cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, June 16, cost 1777 rands, high 1901, low 1653. Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, June 19, cost 1796 rands, high 1922, low 1670. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost 1798 rands, high 1924, low 1672. Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday, June 21, cost 1770 rands, high 1894, low 1646. In multi-week Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, June 22, cost 1643 rands, high 1758, low 1528. Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, June 23, cost 1609 rands, high 1722, low 1496. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, June 26, cost 1608 rands, high 1721, low 1495. Bitcoin money gauge on Tuesday, June 27, cost 1550 rands, high 1659, low 1442. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, June 28, cost 1618 rands, high 1731, low 1505. In about 14 days Bitcoin money gauge on Thursday, June 29, cost 1512 rands, high 1618, low 1406. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, June 30, cost 1514 rands, high 1620, low 1408. Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, July 3, cost 1518 rands, high 1624, low 1412. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Tuesday, July 4, cost 1540 rands, high 1648, low 1432. Bitcoin money estimate on Wednesday, July 5, cost 1542 rands, high 1650, low 1434. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday, July 6, cost 1520 rands, high 1626, low 1414. Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, July 7, cost 1553 rands, high 1662, low 1444. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, July 10, cost 1536 rands, high 1644, low 1428. Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, July 11, cost 1565 rands, high 1675, low 1455. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, July 12, cost 1561 rands, high 1670, low 1452. In about a month Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, July 13, cost 1586 rands, high 1697, low 1475. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, July 14, cost 1592 rands, high 1703, low 1481. Bitcoin money estimate on Monday, July 17, cost 1555 rands, high 1664, low 1446. Bitcoin money value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Bitcoin money cost expectation for June 2023. At the outset cost at 2234 rands, excessive cost 2302, while low cost 1406. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1864. Bitcoin money cost conjecture toward the month's end 1514, change for June 32.2%. Bitcoin money conjecture for July 2023. At the outset cost at 1514 rands, excessive cost 1703, while low cost 1183. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1418. Bitcoin money cost conjecture toward the month's end 1272, change for July 16.0%. Bitcoin money cost expectation for August 2023. At the outset cost at 1272 rands, excessive cost 1415, while low cost 1229. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1310. Bitcoin money cost estimate toward the month's end 1322, change for August 3.9%. Bitcoin money estimate for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 1322 rands, exorbitant cost 1380, while low cost 12.0. They found the middle value of cost 1298. Bitcoin money cost estimate toward the month's end 1290, change for September 2.4%. Bitcoin money cost expectation for October 2023. First and foremost cost at 1290 rands, exorbitant cost 1290, while low cost 1088. They found the middle value of cost 1210. Bitcoin money cost estimate toward the month's end 1170. Change for October 9.3%. Bitcoin money estimate for November 2023. Before all else cost at 1170 rands. Excessive cost 1302, while low cost 1132. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1205. Bitcoin money cost figure toward the month's end 1217. Change for November 4.0%. Bitcoin money cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else cost at 1217 rands. Excessive cost 1511, while low cost 1217. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1339. Bitcoin money cost figure toward the month's end 1412. Change for December 16.0%. Bitcoin money figure for January 2024. Before all else cost at 1412 rands. Excessive cost 1412, while low cost 1105. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1279. Bitcoin money cost gauge toward the month's end 1188. Change for January 15.9%. Bitcoin money cost expectation for February 2024. To start with cost at 1188 rands. Exorbitant cost 1188, while low cost 1019. They found the middle value of cost 1123. Bitcoin money cost gauge toward the month's end 1096. Change for February 7.7%. Bitcoin money gauge for WAC 2024. To start with cost at 1096 rands. Exorbitant cost 1136, while low cost 988. They found the middle value of cost 1071. Bitcoin money cost gauge toward the month's end 1062. Change for spring 3.1%. Bitcoin money cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place cost at 1062 rands. Exorbitant cost 1258, while low cost 1062. They found the middle value of cost 1140. Bitcoin money cost gauge toward the month's end 1176. Change for April 10.7%. Bitcoin money gauge for May 2024. Before all else cost at 1176 rands. Excessive cost 1176, while low cost 931. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1071. Bitcoin money cost conjecture toward the month's end 1001. Change for May 14.9%. Bitcoin money cost expectation for June 2024. Before all else cost at 1001 rands. Excessive cost 1242, while low cost 1001. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1101. Bitcoin money cost conjecture toward the month's end 1161. Change for June 16.0%. ZAR to BCH conversion standard equivalent to 0.5230 coins per 1,000 rands. The present reach 0.5220 minus 0.5404. The earlier days nearby 0.5357. Change for now 0.0127, 2.37%. ZAR to BCH cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, June 16, cost 0.56